We'll guide you through how to add texture in water After Effects. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your water footage into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main layer. After that, create a new solid layer above the footage to build additional water texture and motion effects. Apply fractal noise to the solid layer and adjust contrast and complexity until the water pattern looks more detailed and dynamic. Animate the evolution property to create continuous flowing movement that simulates natural water motion. Change the layer's blend mode to overlay so the texture blends naturally with the footage underneath. Lower the opacity of the solid layer to make the effect more subtle and realistic. Apply turbulent displace to add distortion and enhance the wave-like movement of the water. Adjust the amount and size values carefully to match the scale of your footage. If desired, add CC glass to create more reflective and fluid-like surface highlights. You can also combine additional blur or color correction effects to improve realism and depth. Experiment with different evolution speeds to control how fast the water flows across the screen. Small changes in noise complexity can significantly affect the realism of the water surface. You can also add color grading to make the water tone more cinematic and visually appealing. Continue refining the animation speed, texture intensity, and blending until the water effect looks natural and visually appealing. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the water motion flows smoothly. Finally, save your project, add the composition to the render queue, and click Render to export the final video.